Okay, before we go, watch cartoon. Watch cartoon first.
What do we have here?
I'd say it looks like a good idea to make it.
Come on, help me get him down.
And that's about it.
Oh gosh, am I glad to see you guys. You'll never believe what happened.
If it involves ill-conceived ideas with poorly planned execution, then I'm guessing I'll believe it.
We just put the apple back in.
I decided to reopen Campo de Sid to educate our youth about survival in the great outdoors. But I think something may have gone wrong.
Yep, I believe it.
So can you get me down? My Campo de Sid leader whistle. It lets people know who's in charge.
Weird. It sounded like laughter.
Probably just the wind.
Even nature's mocking me. Okay, long story short, today was the spring camping trip, and I believe the kids went ahead without a chaperone. So there may be a couple of kids missing.
A couple?
More or less. More, actually. 6 to be precise. But who's counting?
I am. I'm counting. We have to go find them. And you're coming with us. Sid, get them ready.
This is so exciting. You guys can climb onto some ice floes up ahead, but it's important that you stay seated and keep your hands inside the vehicle. Let's go. The sooner you get in line, the sooner we can find the kids. Welcome to Campo de Sid.
Okay, white color over there. White color over there. Oh, now
Okay. Fresh tracks! Looks like they went into this ice cabin.
Great, follow me. Okay, this is a dead end. We have to turn back.
Nobody move. We're on dangerously
Thin ice!
I got a crystal poking me in the chakra.
Greetings! Bring me your tortured souls that you may be infused with the positive energy of the crystals.
You could sure use some positive energy.
No, don't touch that, you nincompoop.
I'll just give it a gentle pull. There we go. Oops.
We're here to save you. Try not to panic.
One sloth did all this.
Destruction is his specialty. Let's just get the kids and go.
I'll save us.
Sid, I do that. No. If you sloth
Very, very hot.
We're almost to the ocean. Okay, looks like we all made it.
Yeah, we rescued the kids. Now who's gonna rescue us?
Hey, did somebody call for rescue?
This isn't good.
Kids, this is no time to play around.
Have I mentioned I need water? Guys, prepare for takeoff. Look ahead. This is how my kids tell me they love me.
We have a lesson for you today, Sid. A daycare needs to provide safe activities that are fun for the kids.
What activity does every kid love? Oh, I know. Is it a piñata? We had fun, didn't we?
Okay, let's go.